Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming to you with another tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you how to achieve the bob length butterfly locks. These are the products that I used, and of course the comb. The hair that I use is the Expression Twisted Up. It's the Afro Springy texture and the Model Water Wave. So first you're going to braid the hair into individual braids with the bricklayer method using your edge control. When you are finished, first you're going to take that Afro Springy hair, cut it in half. First you're going to take the Afro Springy twist hair, you're going to crochet that halfway through the root of the braid. Then you're going to take the water wave, you're going to pull it out just a little bit and crochet that through the root of the braid. Then you're going to begin wrapping the water wave hair. Now to create the butterfly look, I guess it's like wings, so the loops, you're creating loops. And what I do to create this, I'm only grabbing partial part of that hair, and I'm leaving a part of it to be wrapped more loosely, and that's what create the loop. When you get to the end of the lock, you're going to grab both pieces of the water wave, twist them together and go up the opposite direction and put nail glue and seal it. And then you're going to cut off the excess hair from the Afro Springy hair. And there you have it, a butterfly lock. Continue this process throughout. Again, remember when you are wrapping to create loops. So you're grabbing the hair partially and leaving the other side to be wrapped loosely. When you get to the end, grab the two pieces of water wave, go up the opposite direction and seal it. And cut off the excess hair. I forgot to mention, if your client has long hair, you would definitely have to do a method to where you crochet the hair up through the braid, and I like to wrap it with a rubber band just to make the hair shorter. But if the client hair is about 4 to 5 inches, then it should be fine. You wouldn't have to make it shorter because you would definitely go way past the client's hair. But yep guys, continue this throughout. Same thing. Make sure you are just lining your locks up. You know, some people like it real even. Some people like it even but not too even. So it's all based off what your client wants. Just make sure you're lining them up to just give it that bob length. And when I am finished, I oil the scalp with Wild Growth. I slightly mousse the locks and spray them with oil sheen. There they are, guys. Nice, pretty, bob length butterfly locks. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe.